Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is my first ever sit-down video, and I am dedicating it to my biggest unboxing so far in my entire life, actually. This is my first ever Birkin. A little backstory, I wasn't actually planning on getting a Birkin until maybe my 30th birthday, because the size I had in mind was a Birkin 30 and obviously a Birkin 30 for my 30th. So I actually got her one day after Mid-Autumn Festival of 2023. A lot has been going on right now in my life, mainly just in terms of my career, and I just felt like this was just the biggest surprise and the biggest good thing that was happening in my life. I will definitely share more about the story behind this Birkin after I unbox it, because I know probably all of you guys want to see the unboxing first, so let's just dive right into it. So here is the bag, and let me just take it out. Here it is. Alright, so I pretty much just opened the box, and here is the beautiful dust bag. And let me just open her up. Here she is. Isn't she just gorgeous? So first off, let me give you guys the specs. This is a Birkin 30 in the Palladium hardware with togo leather in the color Toundra. I hope I'm not butchering the name. Apparently this is a new issued color. It came back I think in 2021, but it existed before, and I think they just reintroduced it. So let me just open her up and take out this piece of cloth. So inside there are just some like air bubble wraps. Then there is this lock. So you can put this at the front of the bag, but I don't think I'm gonna do that because I just like how it looks like without the lock. So inside here you can see it's just a big space. There is a pocket in the front without a zipper. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then at the back there is a pocket with a zipper. So let me give you guys a little bit more information about this color. I would say this color is like in between a taupe and any like olive green. So under certain lightings it will look more like an olive green, and under certain lightings it will look more like a warmer kind of grayish brown color. I really like the fact that this bag is in the Palladium hardware, because I think if it were to be gold hardware, then it would look more mature and a little bit more formal, whereas this one looks more young and just more casual in general. Now, let me share with you guys a little bit about the backstory of this bag. This was really unexpected because I was working with an SA. I had purchase history with him, and you know, I was buying things. So, you know, he might have guessed that my ultimate goal was a Birkin. So one day, just out of the blue, he sent me a bunch of photos of Kellys and Birkins, and he actually asked if I wanted a Kelly 25 and a Birkin 25, but I told him I wanted a Birkin 30. And the only Birkin 30 available that was to my liking was this one. So obviously for Mid-Autumn Festival, the day of, I had other plans, so I told my SA I will go in the next day. I went in. So on that trip, other than buying this Birkin, I mostly just picked out some gifts for people. Yeah, so that's pretty much the story behind this Birkin. I think it just means a lot to me because it just so happened at that point, it was a point where I was kind of at my lowest point. Yeah, so she just means so much more to me. And if you guys are interested in knowing everything that I purchased before getting this Birkin, just let me know and I will do a separate video on that. And I will also do some modeling shots for you guys to show you guys how this looks on me. Just for reference, I am 166 centimeters in height and 47 kilograms in weight. So if you're looking for a reference, hopefully I can help you guys out. I wanted to quickly show you guys how much this Birkin would weigh. So right now there is nothing inside. So it weighs 912 grams. So that is almost 1 kilogram. So I did kind of want to show you guys a comparison between this color with Etain, because I do have a Lindy in the Etain color. Although I don't have anything in the tube color for bags, but I do have this Kelly belt in the tube color. So as you can see, the Etain is much more lighter than this. Actually, in this lighting right now, kind of looks more like an olive green. And then if I compare it with the Etain, this is obviously a cool tone gray, whereas this one really looks more now like a olive green. Now under this lighting, it looks very similar, whereas this one and this one doesn't look that similar. Also guys, let me know what you think of this color, because I would love to know what others think of, like new colors that aren't like your classic like gold, a tube, and black. I also forgot to mention that one of the reasons why I always wanted a Birkin 30 instead of a 25 is because of the size. I think this is a perfect size for traveling, even for taking onto a plane. Yeah, it's not too big to be carrying around on a day-to-day basis. So here I have my MacBook in the 13-inch, and if I were to put this in, it would fit your MacBook. Now, I'm not sure if I will be carrying my MacBook in this because it is quite heavy now. But you know, the option is always there. So it suddenly got really dark. We've been having like typhoon weather lately, so please excuse that. But another one of the really big reasons why I wanted a Birkin 30 is because the handles here are way bigger than the 25, and because this is such a darker neutral tone, I think I will be wearing this a lot during the winter time. So I'll be wearing coats and jackets that are thicker. So it's really important, since the Birkins don't have a shoulder strap, to have the ability to move your hands and your wrist freely in and out of the handles. So that's another plus of the Birkin 30. So that is basically everything I wanted to share with you guys in this video. If you're also looking to purchase a Birkin 30, I hope you found this video somewhat helpful for you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.